In today's lesson, we will learn how to balance a chemical equation using the equation for the reaction between zinc and citric acid as an example. We start with the unbalanced equation. Zinc reacts with citric acid to produce zinc citrate and hydrogen gas. The first step to balancing a chemical equation is to count the number of each type of atom on both sides of the reaction. On the reactant side, we have 1 zinc, 6 carbons, 8 hydrogens, and 7 oxygens. On the product side, we have zinc, carbons, oxygens, and hydrogens as well. Counting them out, we find 3 zinc, 12 carbons, 14 oxygens, and 2 hydrogens. We start by balancing the zinc atoms. There is 1 zinc atom on the reactant side, but 3 on the product side. To balance it, we add a coefficient of 3 to the zinc on the reactant side. Next, let's balance the carbon atoms. There are 6 carbons in 1 molecule of citric acid, but 12 needed in the zinc citrate. So we introduce a coefficient of 2 for citric acid. Now look at the hydrogen atoms. With 2 citric acids, there are 16 hydrogen atoms on the reactant side. We can balance out those hydrogens on the product side by adding a coefficient of 8 to molecular hydrogen. Finally, let's double-check by counting the atoms again on both sides to ensure we have achieved conservation of mass. Now that the equation is balanced, it adheres to the law of conservation of mass. Both sides have an equal number of each type of